Every major crypto and Bitcoin drop, this market sentiment just plummets. Yet there is coins that sneak through, especially big ones right now, that are really representing for the space and are trying to get us into that alt season. Your XLMs and your XRPs and your hbars were some of them, Sui, Solana, they were others. Every single time sentiment dropped, these were coins that still held the mantle. And there is one more, and that is Binance Coin. I was looking at Binance Coin today and it's blowing me away. And it's like a little unsung hero in this market. And it is another representation of where this market really likely could be looking in the coming weeks and coming months. But are people fading this market too much? Are you not paying attention to the right plays currently? So let's stop wasting time. Let's jump straight into it. Let's review Binance Coin. Very basic view for now, and we will get into price action very, very soon. First of all, Binance Coin is there relaxing in fifth spot, but it's a coin that is always lingering very high up in that top 10. It is extremely smooth as a big cap coin. Now, it has been flipped by XRP recently from its recent rally in the market that it's had this year and late last year, and that's been absolutely epic. And we need all of these big coins to put in big performances to start dropping Bitcoin dominance. Good to see the fear and greed reset a little bit in this market. Hopefully, people get a bit bullish on altcoins once again. But Binance Coin always comfortably there. Now, XRP has had a big rally already. Binance Coin, it's not necessarily rallying, it's just constantly doing well, but it's like it's going unnoticed, just like other coins in the past. So, what we're going to do, we're going to head over to price action. We're going to look at it in multiple ways and we'll go from there. You let me know if you agree in the comments or if you've got a different opinion. First of all, larger time frames, 1 day time frame, this one, but looking at this cycle from the previous sell-off into the bear market to where we currently are now. Now, even if you wasn't much of a charter, you would look at this and go, wow, that is a very well-performing coin or asset or anything like that. If you was looking at this from the naked eye, well, I would have thought you would do anyway, but just look at it. And it's one of them, it goes unsung. Not many people are paying attention. Luckily, me and my guys, we were buying it in and around these areas and these lows and stacking it hard. But wow. So, first of all, in a nutshell, we do have what would look like a really, really nice. What we're going to do is just pull this down for now. And we're just going to connect the 2 points just there. And we're just going to bring it around to there. Ready, steady, go. So, we look like we have bottomed and we have rounded off, and a round off with what we could suggest was also a double bottom in the area, give or take, not horizontal, but there's a sign there. And we had other good looking metrics such as a big giant falling wedge was going through a bit of Wyckoff reaccumulation, and we had a little bit of another inverse head and shoulders here. We can put that up on here, what that looks like. But there is a lot of these happening right now down here and currently up here in this market. Is a very important pattern to be looking out for. So we have a bit of a cup going on. So you might have heard of the term cup and handle. We could start looking into that, which I think is there and it's on, because what we could do here, we could draw that from that point to here. This was deviation. Yes, it was a wick that fell below, and that would have caught a lot of people out, but we reclaimed within 3 in a nutshell. So we reclaimed within 3 days. We did it on the same day and we held above and we've moved on up. That is a good sign. And then if we just draw here, then yes, there was deviation up top. We reclaimed, or we fell down within 3 and went back into the flag type of formation. We could also have been looking at this just like many other coins. I've done videos on this recently about a bull flag formation as well, and we can ping that up just for a bit of an educational type of view. But it does look like we've been putting and printing in many different bullish looks, and in a way, it's kind of like pick your poison. Which kind of theory or which type of pattern is it you're wanting to go with? Now, that being said as well, if we actually, let's keep this true to form. Let's see if we can get that really, really close. Yep, pretty much bang on. You wouldn't be able to see it just yet, but the price action is actually trading above. 2021 highs, right? So it's kind of like that meme, like everyone wanted Bitcoin at $95,000 in 2024. Everyone's angry at 2025, $95,000. It's the same. Everyone wanted Binance Coin at 689 to 700, but no one wants it. No one's happy with it in 2025. People want more. That's a good sign because the expectations for this market is extremely high, and we all want a breakout, don't we? But we have to remain patient. Long-term investing, guys, doesn't just happen overnight. So the main thing is, though, are you missing these plays? If you've missed all these major plays, you need to start looking lower down in the market. Look for coins that are still yet to replicate, but might be looking similar to how it was down here with the likes of Binance Coin, XRPs, and so forth. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring this down into the smaller time frames. I like a good 4-hour time frame. Now, that white line there, as you can see, was the 2021 high, and now we are trading just above it. This is a vital area. This is an apex area. This is the pivotal point. And as long as we're holding above, I would be extremely bullish on the asset going forward and for the foreseeable. I still am anyway. We could fall below and we could correct. And of course, we could fall back down. Now, Bitcoin did a little correction over the past 2 days. That's held quite surprisingly well for an altcoin during the Bitcoin correction, especially Bitcoin's dominance so high still. So that is also another good view. If we're looking at this on the shorter time frames as well, can we find bullishness? So we could be looking at a potential breakout as well just here. So there was the original. So there was the trend. And then there was the first tap, and then we broken out and we retested, and that retest failed. Not every retest is going to hold, guys, but looks like we are trying to once again fight for this trend. Or you could basically go from wick to wick just here and give ourselves a bit of room for error, a bit of margin for error. Just delete that for now to clean this up. And we could just take it from this low, take it up, pull across just there, and we could have a very, very, very big symmetric triangle going on, coming from a south to north move, which has got a high probability of breaking up above than breaking down low. Now, guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. The channel is about market analyzation, my thoughts, my opinions, and so forth. But how it would work in a symmetric like this, very, very similar to a bullish pennant, is it's the way, the angle we've come from, and we're going to be looking at further continuation as a probability or higher probability. These markets are all probability, guys. No one controls the market. Well, none of us do. And everything is obviously a bit of a guesstimation. But things are looking really good on the lower time frames and them high time frames for Binance Coin. Now, these are the coins, like I've stressed, that we need to put in a really good move, especially at the early start of this year. And as probably Donald Trump is being put in power, this is mirroring and the pieces to the puzzle are coming together very well here. So we do need Binance Coin to keep performing and break out into blue skies. Blue skies meaning we have broken out of all-time highs once again. So we do need to be breaking in the end above 792, 793. Let's call it 800 for safety. Break out of 800, and where could it go? I mean, I have price targets for Binance at 1,002 to 1,004. Could it go much higher than that? Like I say, let me know in the comments. Let me know your price predictions and let me know if you agree or disagree in what we're going through in today's video. And that is a very quick Binance Coin update. Very important coin to be following, even if you're invested or not. It's one of them other coins that will point us in the direction to alt season. It is one of the big ones that will help put a dent into Bitcoin dominance. And the way I look at the market is very much like a chihuahua and a big dog. Okay, the little dog's always waiting for the big dog to make a move, and then it will usually follow. In the crypto market, everything's waiting for like Bitcoin and Ethereum to move, and then everything below that is waiting for like Binance and XRP to move. And then hopefully that these can open the door for the rest of the market, and the money flow just flows down like a fountain, and it just hits into all of our key narratives, and we get an epic, epic bull run. That is it from me. I am Fitzo Crypto. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button. Links are in the description as well, and I will see you on the next. Take care. Ciao.